Erik DmaxStore here. Today we have a little product spotlight today from our friends at Pinnacle Off-Road. This product is a skid plate for your VSE Fuel System Saver. Because those fuel filters sit a little lower than stock, give you a peace of mind to have this there to protect your fuel filters when you're off-road. We're going to show you how to install this. After taking off your factory skid plate for your transfer case, the rest is super easy. We have two brackets, both with welded nuts. The first bracket has a little handle and it's going to go straight up in here next to the cross member for your transmission. They've done a really good job of making it super easy to get that bracket in there for bolting in. Then we got the second one, which goes in the back. There's a little oval piece of metal, steel here that goes through your factory frame. So we have the nut facing down and it's going to go right up in here. Super simple. Then we're going to grab the skid plate and a couple of nuts, or a couple of bolts. So we'll start in the front here. It's a great skid plate. It even has a little trap door for servicing your filters. You don't have to take the whole skid plate down. Or you can hide your keys in there, whatever you want to do. All right, they've also supplied Loctite for these bolts so that you know your skid plate's not going to come loose. So let's start with this one up front. Basically just going to hold it up there. So the first one's a little bit of a challenge. The second one's a lot easier. You put tension. Well, I got the first one started. You can use the skid plate to tension your nut up in there so it stays in place. Okay, then we go to the third one, which is a little easier to do. Now you can hold this one with one hand and thread the other bolt in. I mean, that's super simple install. I'm just going to have to torque these, and you got clearance for your coolant or your fuel cooler, clearance for your filters, easy access directly underneath both of them. You do still get a little bit of protection up here. You know, I don't think you're going to be high centering on your transfer case with this guy hanging down. So nice fit and finish. It's going to be a great product that we're going to add. As you can tell, you know, the factory skid plate for the transfer case isn't going to fit, but you go visit our friends at Pinnacle Off-Road. They do offer a transfer case skid plate that works in conjunction with the fuel filter skid plate. So we're just going to tighten this up and we're going down the road. Super easy. You can do it in your driveway. 3 tools, 15 millimeter and a 17. Done. Get it at DmaxStore.com. Thank you, Pinnacle Off-Road.